talking seller disclosures, what you should or shouldn't disclose. Hey there, I'm Christina Sparks, realtor of Coldwell Banker. So, what should you disclose when selling your home? Everything. Anything that has ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed is very important. It will help keep you out of litigation, and it's essential to go over all the disclosures prior to going and putting your home on the MLS, or prior to letting a buyer see your home. I would even go as far as suggesting to get a pre-listing inspection for full transparency. We want any potential buyer to have previously viewed the disclosures prior to making any sort of offer. This will help ensure the buyer doesn't back out later from things they should have already been made aware of. Missouri seller disclosures are 6 pages long and cover everything from the crawl space to the roof. This is actually protecting not only just the buyer, but also the seller. Anything from whether or not you live on a golf course or if you have a sex offender living in the surrounding neighborhood would have to be disclosed if you knew about it. Now, if you've painted the walls, changed the carpet, added new lighting, or fixed the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of my common sayings to my clients is actually, if you have to ask me, should you disclose it? Most likely the answer is yes. You want to disclose. Over disclosure is actually better in every scenario than under disclosing, and it will keep you out of the courtroom. Don't you want the buyer to know anything and everything that you know about the home? When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later on and telling you that they want to go ahead and try to squeeze some more money out of you. Now, obviously, you can only disclose what you know. So disclose, disclose, disclose. If you're selling, give me a call. I'm happy to help any way that I can and answer any questions I can. Have a great day.